All wireless devices need to be secure during installation, commissioning and operation, as well as during network maintenance and extension. EnOcean sensors are not directly connected to the internet, so any attack would have to take place locally. And gateways that communicate sensor data to the internet have their own additional security protection. EnOcean sensors protect themselves against eavesdropping using AES 128 encryption and device-unique private keys. Transmitter and data authentication is done using an AES 128-based signature. Communication pattern monitoring protects against denial of service and message relay attacks. EnOcean line-powered receivers store and maintain security profiles, process security teaching messages and secure telegrams, transmit secure data telegrams, and, as necessary, perform resynchronization. Further details on security can be found on our website.